napakagandang lugar. Ayan. Ayan. So, nagwo-walking tayo dahil nga alam niyo naman na health is the real wealth. So, ang gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, beautiful soul, na napaka-importante, no, na alagaan ang sarili natin. Napaka-importante na unahin mo muna yung sarili mo, no. When it comes to health, dapat number one priority natin yung sarili natin, and kailangan talaga ipamper natin yung self natin dahil kagaya ko, no, as hindi naman ako breadwinner, but as one of the person na willing talagang makatulong lalo sa family ko, and I'm really doing my best, no, para maging maganda din yung future ng sarili kong pamilya. So I really take good care, extra care sa sarili ko, kasi gusto ko talaga na mas tumagal pa, no. Ibig sabihin, gusto ko yung quality life. So, ang tagal kong na-realize na hindi mo pala kailangan ng special occasion, hindi mo pala kailangan ng big achievements before mo masabi na masaya ka. So, I realized na pwede ka naman pala talagang maging masaya everyday kapag pinili mo lang talaga siya. So, ibig kong sabihin is, para sa akin, no, happiness is truly a choice. So, pagising ko pa lang sa umaga, pinipili ko na maging masaya, and no matter what, kahit anong mga mangyari, no, anong mga circumstances, challenges na mangyayari in that day, pipiliin ko pa rin na maging masaya. And I always tell myself na temporary lang yan, Genevieve. So dadaan lang din yan para may matutunan ka. Dadaan lang yan para mas maging wise ka, para mas maging mature ka sa life, and para malaman mo sa sarili mo na hanggang saan ba talaga yung kaya mo, diba? Hanggang saan ba talaga yung pwede mo pang ibigay, no, as you yourself. So I'm always thankful and grateful. Pagising pa lang sa umaga, thank you Lord, no, sa lahat ng blessings. Thank you Lord sa lahat ng wisdom na binibigay mo sa akin. And I'm always thankful kasi I am able to help not only to myself but also to the people around me, and that is already a big thing. So hindi naman kailangan na you always give material, or hindi naman kailangan talaga na it's all about financial. Being around, being there when you need someone, diba? At ikaw yung someone na yon na pwedeng malapitan without judgment. Ikaw yung someone na yon na makakatulong. But then again, don't get me wrong, beautiful soul, I just wanna make it clear na hindi naman tayo yung charger, hindi din naman tayo yung garbage can, diba, na will always be there kung lowbat yung ibang tao, will always be there kung kailangan nila ng mapagtatapunan ng kanilang mga problema at saka ng kanilang mga trashes. No, what I'm trying to say is, that's why alagaan mo yung sarili mo, be valuable, be authentic, and always take care of your well-being. Kasi kung magagawa mo yan, so you are able also to give and provide glitters around you, di ba? Mag-sparks ka talaga, and that sparks will also be noticed with the people around you, your family, di ba? Your friends, and lahat. limitless na lang talaga siya and kusa na lang siyang lalabas. So the essence of this video is gusto ko lang i-share na napaka-importante na piliin mong maging masaya araw-araw. Piliin mong ikaw yung klase ng tao na giver, hindi lang receiver. Kailangan mo din maging empathic ba, no? Hindi pwede na hingi ka lang ng hingi. You also need to give. So, ako may ano kasi ako may ano ba tawag doon? Believer kasi ako ng it's better to give than to receive. And believer din ako na you cannot give or you cannot provide the things which you do not have. So, kung gusto mong alagaan yung family mo, you better take care of yourself first. Kasi everything will be useless kung ikaw mismo hindi mo na kaya. If you are not able. Diba? So, yun lang, beautiful soul. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.